Hello, my name is Nuno and I'm a research fellow at the new Medical University of the University of Lisbon. Before I was working at Newcastle University, and that's how I started with Promise. I've always studied nutrition and I've worked in nutrition, and I'm now looking at nutritional epidemiology. I'm a nutritional epidemiologist. That's what I do. So I'm heavily involved in work package 1, and that's the prevalence and incidence of protein, energy, malnutrition, where it's coming from, what the dietary burden is coming from, an association between that malnutrition and certain outcomes like walking speed. So I've been largely working on the Newcastle 85+, which is a cohort, which is a population-based study, and then it follows people over a certain amount of time. And this was based in the UK, and I've been mostly looking at it, and that has been my role. What I'm doing is harmonizing several cohorts that the Promise consortium has, and that's LASA, the Newcastle 85+, Health ABC, and nuage. And now we'll harmonize, merge everything, and do an individual participant analysis. So I've been looking at the Newcastle 85+, so they're a cohort of very old adults, and we found that most of the dietary protein came from meat and cereals and at lunch, which is a bit different from most other cohorts, which comes from dinner time. There were also those with more dietary protein intake. They also had more muscle strength and had better muscle function. They were less likely to report disabilities of daily living, so get up from a chair, getting in and out of beds and things like that. They're also less likely to develop frailty. So I'm currently harmonizing all these cohorts together, so I still have to finish the harmonization for all the variables that we need, the protein intake, the outcomes such as walking speed, and as soon as that's harmonized, I'll be able to merge them and do one analysis, which will be very helpful for Promise, because there's more power so there's more people. We can find more robust associations, and also we can look at interactions with physical activity and timing protein intake and physical activity. From that we will have at least 2 publications, and it's protein intake and then association with grip strength, and then also association with more muscle function parameters. So here it's walking speeds and also self-reported disabilities. So these analyses, they will inform Promise strategies, the overall conclusions of the whole project. They will help to wrap everything up, get very robust estimates on protein intake and outcomes that we want, that we're interested in, and this will hopefully also inform new dietary guidelines.